Hello student, we have started this lesson, the enemy. We have read till now that Dr. Sadao, who has treated an American soldier, was uh, actually a little bit afraid that he had done something wrong. And one day when uh, uh, one person in uniform came in his house and summoned him as the general uh, uh, wanted his help. General was in pain, so he went there and he told all the story, how he saved that prisoner, and he also request the remedy. He said that I have no sympathy for the American soldier. He only wanted to save the life at that time. After that, whatever Japanese army want to do, he has nothing to do with him. So General Takema assures him that he had some assassins, trained and talented assassins. They will come and kill the American soldier and remove his body. So he was very happy. So he thought that American soldier will be killed. So that night he was waiting, but no soldier came. Second night also he waited. There were sound, but next day when he went into the room of American soldier, American soldier was on his bed. So third day also passed. Third day passed, and nothing happened. After that, what was that? Hannah cried. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. I must go and see, because there was some sound outside. So Hannah cried. Hannah said, what was that? Baby also started crying. But he held her and would not let her move. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go. His terror infected her, and she stood breathless, waiting. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed, the baby between them. So Hannah wanted to go there and see outside, but Tata Sadao stopped her and said, don't go outside. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. So uh, again, the next morning when he went into the guest room and opened the gate, he found that young man was there. Means American soldier was on his bed. He was very gay. Gay means happy, and had already washed and was now on his feet. He had already taken bath, and he was now fit and fine. He had asked for a razor yesterday and had shaved himself. Today there was a faint color in his cheeks, and he has done shaving. After that he was now very clean, and means although there was some faint color on his cheeks. I am well, he said joyously, very happy. He was very happy. He said, I am well. Sadao drew his kimono round his weary body. He could not. He decided suddenly go through another night. So Sadao said, probably next night something will happen. So he waited. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. You are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to the little island not far from the coast. Sadao said that you are now fit, you are now well. Suppose I put some food and clothing in my boat. So you have enough strength that by yourself you may uh, you may go in that boat to the nearest island. Yes, island is not far from here. It's so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. That island is not very far. Probably 1 hour it will take. Nobody lives on it, and on that island nobody lives because it storm, it is submerged. Because when tsunami comes, when storm comes, this island actually submerged means goes into water. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. But because this time storm will not come, so you may live there because no one lives on that island. So you may live there as many days as you want there. You will be safe there. And when any Korean fishing boat pass from there, Korean fishing boat pass from there, they pass quite near the island because the water is many fathom deep there. So Korean fishing boat generally pass near the island. The reason is the water is very deep near that island. The young man stared at him slowly, complaining, "Do I have to?" So young man said, "Do I have to? Do I have to means I means should I do this thing whatever you are saying?" "Yes, I think so," Sadao said gently. "It means yes, you must do this." Here Sadao was trying to save his life. That's why Sadao said, "Yes, I think so." You understand it. It is not hidden that you are here. I think you understand that it is not hidden that you are here. Everyone is knowing now. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. "Okay," he said simply. Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore, and in it he put food and bottled water, and he had bought secretly during the day. So he put food and bottled water in the boat, as well as 2 quilts as he had bought at a pawn shop, and two quilts also he put into that boat. The boat he tied to a post in the water, for the tide was high. There was no moon, and he worked without a flashlight. So there was no moon means there was no light. So, and without flashlight, without any flashlight, he did this work so that nobody may notice him. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work, and so Hannah knew nothing. And he did not tell anything to Hannah. When he entered into house, it was like he had returned from somewhere from his work. So Yumi was here today, she said, as he served his supper. Uh, so Hannah said Yumi was here today. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. Although Hannah was very modern, but Hannah, just like in Indian culture, generally wives eat after husband. So in the same way, she followed the tradition. In Japan also, the Japan is very traditional, very cultural country. So she, Miss Hannah, did not eat with her husband. She always eats after Tata Sadao. Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. So Yumi came. Yumi was crying over the baby. Actually, she is missing baby. That's why she had come. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Sadao said, when this foreigner will go from here, servants will come back. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature, the state of the wound, and his heart and pulse. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burnt. Only the scars on his neck. "But did I realize you are saving my life again?" he told Sadao. "Not at all," Sadao said. "It's only inconvenient to have you here any longer. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight, but he had decided to give it to him. After all, it was a small one, each one, which he used at night when he was called. Flashlight means a kind of torch. Although Dr. Sadao did not want to give his flashlight to American soldier, but later he decided to give him because this was a small one, and probably American soldier will need that flashlight. If your food runs out before you catch a boat, signal me two places at the same instant. The sun drops over the horizon. Do not signal in darkness, for it will be seen. Dr. Sadao tells him, suppose you are on the island and your food runs out. Means there you means your whatever food you have, it runs out. Means suppose you finish all your food and you remain there without food at that time, because you before catching the boat, if you there remain without food, at that time you must signal two places at the time when sun sets. Means after sunset there remains some light. When sun sets, suddenly it does not become darkness, there remains some light. So when sun will set, suddenly means after sunset you must place light two time. Do not signal in darkness, because if you will signal it in darkness, it will be seen. People will notice you. People will notice that someone is there in the island. If you are all right but still there, signal me once. If you are all right but still there, signal me once. Yes, suppose you no need food or anything, but you only want to say that you are fit and fine, so you may signal me once. One type signal means I am fit and fine, I do not need any kind of help. Two time signal means I need help. Two time means I need food. You will find fresh fish easy to catch, but you must eat them raw. Dr. Sada also tells him that you can catch fish there. Fresh fish you will find, but you have to eat them raw. You cannot cook them, because for cooking you have to lit the fire, and when you will lit the fire it will be seen. People will notice you. That's why if you want to eat fish, you have to eat raw. Okay, the young man breathed. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him. At the last moment, Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Now, Sadao said. So his dress was kimono, means a Japanese dress, but his hair was saying that hair was not Japanese. Hair was blonde, means yellow color hair was. So Dr. Sadao gave him a black color cloth to cover his hair. The young American, without a word, shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw the light flash to find his way, but that would not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was one more place. Then he closed the partition. That night he slept. You said the man escaped, the general asked faintly. So, for 2 days, Dr. Sadao noticed one flash. One flash means he was fit and fine there. And probably after that, he went from there. So, he told general that American soldier had gone somewhere. You say the man escaped? General asked faintly. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. For 12 hours Sadao had not been sure the general would live. The gallbladder was much involved. So um, actually general had gone into operation. That was emergency operation. That was operation of gallbladder. Gallbladder was irritated, and there was swelling over the gallbladder. So he was thinking, Miss Data Sata was thinking probably general would not live longer. Then the old man had um, begun to breathe deeply again and to demand food. Sadav had not been able to ask about the assassins. So Sadav did not ask anything about the assassins so far as he knew they had never come. Although Sadav was knowing the assassins have not come. But here Sadav was pretending that probably assassins have done their work. That's why American soldier is not there. American soldier probably assassins have here pretending. Dr. Sadav pretending that American soldier had killed assassins have killed American soldier and removed his body. The servants had returned and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burnt sulfur in it to get the white man's smell out of it. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross because he had got behind with his chrysanthemums. But after a week, Sadav felt the general was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. Yes, Excellency, he escaped. So after 1 week, now general was fit and fine. So general again asked. So he said, yes, Excellency, he escaped. Sadav now said, he cupped, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was unwilling to disturb the general further. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. That prisoner, he said with some energy, did I not promise you I would kill him for you? So general said, I had promised you that I would kill him for you. You did, Excellency. Yes, Excellency, you said. Well, the old man said in a tone of amazement. So I did, but you see, I was suffering a good deal. The truth is, I thought of nothing but myself. Instead, I forgot my promise to you. So General says, actually, my suffering was too much. I could not think anything else except myself, and actually, I had forgotten my promise. I wonder, Your Excellency, Sadav murmured. It was certainly very carelessness of me, the general said. But you understand, it was not like a patriotism or dereliction of duty. General said, I was very careless. But you understand, it was not like a patriotism or dereliction of duty. He looked anxiously at his doctor. If the matter should come out, you would understand that, would not you? Miss General said, this matter should not come out. Out means no one should know this matter. Otherwise, they will make a gossip and all the fingers will be pointed towards General. Certainly, Your Excellency, Sadav said. He suddenly comprehended that the general was in the palm of his hand and was, as a consequence, he himself was perfectly safe. So now Sadav had understood that general was thinking that this is his fault. So now Dr. Sadav was perfectly safe. I can swear to your loyalty, Excellency, he said to the old general, and to your zeal against the enemy. You are a good man, the general murmured and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. But Sadav, searching the spot of black in the twilight sea that night, had his reward. There was no prick of light in the dusk. No one was on the island. His prisoner was gone, safe doubtless, for he had warned him to wait only for a Korean fishing boat. General said that you will be rewarded. After that, Tata Sadav went to the island to search the prisoner, but there was no trace of prisoner. It means prisoner had gone from there safely. He stood for a moment on the veranda gazing out to the sea from whence the young man had come that other night, and into his mind, although without reason, there came another white faces he had known. The professor at whose house he had met Hannah, a dull man, and his wife had been a silly, talkative woman. In spite of her wish to be kind, he remembered his old teacher of anatomy, who had been so insistent on mercy with his knife, and then he remembered the face of his fat and slatternly landlady. He had had great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was a Japanese. So, as a Japanese, he had faced difficulty to get a room in America. But there was one fat lady who provided him room. So there were so many Americans who had helped Dr. Sadao when he was in America and was doing his was taking his training in medical and surgery. The Americans were full of prejudice, and it had been bitter to live in it, knowing himself their superior. How he had despised the ignorant and dirty old woman who had at last consented to house him in her miserable home. The Americans were full of prejudice, and it was very bitter to live with Americans. He did not want to live with Americans, but no one was ready to give him room. At last, one fat woman gives him shelter in her home. He had once tried to be grateful to her because she had in his last year nursed him through influenza. Yes, when Sada was suffering from influenza, the same landlady helped him and treated him, supported him, and did everything to recover him from influenza. But it was difficult, for she was no less repulsive to him in her kindness. Now he remembered the youthful, haggard face of his prisoner, white and repulsive. Strange, he thought. I wonder why I could not kill him. He Sadao himself is thinking why he could not kill that American soldier. Okay, बच्चों, thank you.